Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, March 17th, I believe. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And I don't think that I have to begin to talk about all of the coronavirus stuff that is going on in the world right now, because I'm sure we all know and have heard about it. Oh wait, where am I going? In case this is your first video of mine that you're seeing, my name is Veronica and I am a junior in college at Marquette University in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And today, because of the coronavirus pandemic and my school switching to an online e-learning platform for the foreseeable future, I am driving up to my campus to get some of my things from my room. I'm on the highway now, so I don't know how good the audio is going to be on this clip, but for those of you who have been subscribers of my channel for a while now, you know that I haven't really been uploading videos so far this year. 2020 has just been very busy, very hectic. I had a lot of responsibilities outside of school. I was planning some events on campus, and because of this pandemic, those events are now canceled, and I'm going to be spending a lot more time at home than I had anticipated this semester. So I'm going to have a lot more time on my hands to make YouTube videos, hence why I'm vlogging this little trip. Today I'm fixing some of the problems that I have of leaving clothes behind at school, leaving notebooks and study materials behind at school, because I did not expect to have to be learning at home. I actually live in my sorority house on campus, and although campus in-person classes are closed and the campus closed a lot of dorms, my sorority house is still open, so I could live there during this time if I wanted to. However, I don't actually have a car on campus, so I would kind of just be stranded and like super lonely, and I just decided that it would be better to spend this time at home with my parents. As of right now, Marquette is doing online classes until April 10th, meaning that I am expecting to be able to return to live on campus for the last few weeks of the semester. So as of right now, I'm driving up just to get some things that I would need for the next 3 to 4 weeks, and I'm not currently going to pack up my entire room and move back home, because on top of this pandemic, I'm also going to be living in my same sorority house next school year. So even if they do decide to make the rest of our semester online, then I won't necessarily have to move every single thing out of my sorority house, because I'll just be moving back there next school year. So I hope that makes sense, but as far as what I'm doing right now, I'm just driving up to grab some essentials that I may be needing over the next few weeks while I'm living at home with my parents. And to top off everything that I left behind in my room at the sorority house is that I ended up leaving my camera charger there. So this entire vlog will be filmed on my iPhone. The plan is to stop at a Dunkin' Donuts and get a coffee for the road. And then once I get to Milwaukee and I've packed up my room and everything, my friend Lizzie is actually staying in her apartment in Milwaukee during this hectic time, so I'm gonna get to see her. I think we'll just spend like an hour or two together just to hang out, and then I'll be driving back home. So not the most exciting day, but I thought it'd be good to, like, I don't know, catch up with you guys and do a little day in my life vlog. Hi, could I get a medium iced caramel coffee with cream but no sugar? Just coffee, iced caramel coffee. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Thanks so much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Just because the world is ending doesn't mean that I can't enjoy some of my favorite iced coffee. But anyways, I have another hour or so of driving ahead of me, so I'm just gonna jam to the radio until I get there. I have to admit, this was not the way that I was expecting to return to the house, but anyways, I live on the top floor, so I have a few stairs to climb. I'm really glad that I cleaned my room right before I left because it is pretty spick and span, but I'm actually going to be taking my sheets and stuff back home just to do laundry, and I also have to figure out a way to transport my succulents back since I don't want them to die left up here. I stopped filming time lapses of me packing because it was taking too long, but I made a lot of progress. This is way more stuff than I intended to pack, but when I started thinking about it, even if I do end up coming back to campus in late April, I'm not going to be needing any of my winter stuff. So this entire bag is practically filled with like sweatshirts and sweaters, and I'm bringing back my extra jackets. This entire hamper has all of my laundry that I had intended to do when I got back to campus, but now I'm just going to be bringing it home. And then that has any like clothes I'll be needing. They're mostly like sweatpants and t-shirts because I don't really plan on leaving my house much over the next few weeks. And then just like any random things that I may need as well. And I also found a small cardboard box to transport my plants in, so this will make my life much easier so they're not like tumbling around in my car. So I'm really sad to be leaving this room because if Marquette decides to switch to online learning for the rest of the semester, it means that I won't be living in this room anymore. Like I said, next year I will be living in the house again. I'll just be in a different room. So I will be coming back here at some point, but I have packed up a lot of my things to take back. So I'm gonna make multiple trips up and downstairs to pack up my car. And then I'm meeting up with Lizzie and we're gonna get some food and go to the lakefront. Thank you. Almost caught it. Already on my first trip downstairs, I made the big mistake of forgetting my car key in my room. So one of my sorority sisters that was here thankfully threw it down to me out of the window and saved me a trip up and down the stairs. But that was the first trip of many, so there's a few more bags that I need to go get. And more than a handful of trips later, I got everything downstairs and I'm about to make my last run down to the car, but this is going to be goodbye to my room for the foreseeable future, and I'm definitely really sad about it. So I am back in the car. I ended up picking up Lizzie. Hi.
Hello.
And we both got food. So I got a Jimmy John's sandwich. She got some Qdoba, and we are currently actually at the lakefront. And we're gonna go sit on a park bench, I think.
Get some outside air.
Yeah, get some outside fresh air. There's not very many people at the park, so don't worry, we are still social distancing.
And we will stay 6 feet away from them.
We will stay 6 feet away from everyone else, and not each other, but...
It's too late for that.
Yep. Well, we ended up having a very nice lunch by the lakefront, and I'm dropping Lizzie back off at her apartment now. Hopefully we're able to see each other soon, but
yeah,
you never know. Anyways, bye buddy.
Bye.
And just like that, I am officially on my way back home. I just made it back onto the highway, and I have a 2-hour drive ahead of me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, I'll be keeping you all updated with little vlogs and stuff while I'm at home during this time, since I know people will be spending a lot more time on the internet and on their computers and stuff. So if you guys have any video requests you would like to see from me and how I am doing my online learning through the university, feel free to leave those in the comments down below, as well as hit the like and subscribe buttons so that you and other people can find more of my videos when I start putting them out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug in a podcast now for my long drive back home.